Hello, my friend Will here with FXAce.com and a very big happy new year. Welcome to 2022, and this video is going to be my first trade setup video for the year ahead. So I'm looking forward to a great 2022. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, simply hit the subscribe button now. So in this video, we're going to look at why I'm looking to sell the British pound Japanese yen in the week ahead. I'm going to give an in-depth analysis of why I'm looking to take this setup. So make sure you pay attention and let's get into the trade setup. Okay, so on the British pound Japanese yen, and if you're new to my channel and you don't really understand how I trade the markets yet, I like to look for higher time frame support and resistance, supply and demand, or institutional buying, high probability, high probability buying and selling areas. Okay, so as you can see, I like to start off on the higher time frames, look for levels, and then I'll zoom into the lower time frames and look for evidence that price action is slowing down inside these areas. Okay, so for on the monthly chart here, we are still this area here on the monthly chart. It actually is the Brit exit job from 2016 is still valid. Okay, and longer term, I do expect the markets to possibly break up through this level and up towards here. Okay, short term, I do expect a reaction inside this level. Okay, if you know how I trade, I open on a Monday, close on a Friday. They're short-term swing trades. Okay, weekly swing trades. We close everything on a Friday and start fresh each and every week. Okay, so we're still, this monthly level is still valid. Let's move into the weekly charts, and as you can see, we have this area here. Okay, on the weekly charts that caused this drop down here, and it actually took out these lows here. Okay, we are in this period of distribution after this huge rally in price. The market is moving sideways. Okay, so I'm expecting a test of this area here, this weekly level, which it's at now. It actually tested the 156 area on Friday. Okay, looking at this. Okay, so we've identified the level. Okay, we're looking to sell at. Now I want to zoom into the lower time frames and look for evidence, possible evidence of price action is slowing down, either on the daily or the 4-hour charts. Okay, you can see we've had a nice rally inside this area, up to this area on Friday, and there's no sign of price action slowing down yet on the daily charts. Okay, because it could still possibly head up a little bit higher. Okay, if we look at the lower time frames, the 4-hour charts, but you can see we are starting to get, as it hit that 156 area, candles are getting very, very small. We're getting a lot of divergence signals on the approach coming into this area. The market is starting to move sideways. So I do expect this maybe to pop up, to hit 156 again on Monday or Tuesday, or maybe a little bit higher, and then sell off towards the downside. Okay, just for now. So that is the reason I'm looking to sell this at 156,800. Okay, so I do expect to pop it up a little bit further, and I will be selling this around 156, or sorry, 155,800. Okay, or if you're a little bit risk averse, you can sell it on the first divergence signal on the 4-hour or daily chart. Okay, if you get a closer look at the 1-hour charts, we'll get a better look at this price action inside this area. You can see the amount of divergence signals happening. Okay, as it hit that 156 area. Okay, this is clear evidence that we are likely to get a drop to the downside. Okay, so we'll see what happens when the markets open on Monday. Just be wary, it is the New Year market, so you could get huge spikes up or down. Normally around the first week of January, it does happen often, so just be cautious of that. But again, I do expect this to drop to the downside, at least down towards the 152, 150 area. Okay, could possibly come all the way back down. If this level fails, it'll come back down towards the 149 area, all the way down here. Okay, so the setup is, okay, sell GBP JPY at 1 155, 800. Okay, stop loss or first divergence signal on 4-hour or daily chart. Okay, if you want to get access to the divergence signal, if you don't have it, or the divergence indicator, if you don't have it already, just simply message me at will@fxace.com or leave a comment below in the description of the video here, and I will email it over to you. Okay, so the stop loss is going to be 130 pips. Okay, loss will be 156, 100. And the take profit is going to be 150. Okay, because this level fails, it will drop pretty hard and fast. So it is a great chance to get around 500 pip move on this. We will see. So the stop loss is at the take profit is at 150. Okay, so that's the setup. Pause the video, write that down. As always, trade at your own risk. This is just what I'm doing in the week ahead. Okay, it is a good setup. Okay, like anything, it's a high probability it'll go our way, but sometimes the markets don't go our way. Okay, so it's part of the game, and just have to accept that. But it is a great setup. Again, trade at your own risk. If you want to get access to my full list of 20 setups for the week ahead, simply click the link below. Like and comment, and have a great week. And thanks for watching. Will over to fxace.com.